Head to vercel.com and sign up or log in using the button in the top right corner. If you're signing up, you can use your GitHub account, which streamlines the connection process. Once logged in, you'll land on your Vercel dashboard. In the top right of the dashboard, click the Add New button and select Project from the dropdown. You'll be taken to the import screen showing a list of Git repositories you have write access to. If this is your first time connecting GitHub to Vercel, click Continue with GitHub and authorize access when prompted. You'll then see your available GitHub repositories. Find the repository you want to deploy and click the Import button next to it. This takes you to the project configuration screen. Vercel will automatically detect your framework, next.js, React, Vite, or others, and populate the framework preset, build command, output directory, and install command fields. Review these settings and adjust if needed. Once you're satisfied, click the Deploy button at the bottom of the screen. Vercel will start building your project and display a deployment progress screen. When deployment finishes, you'll get a live URL for your site. From now on, every push to your main branch automatically deploys live. If you open a pull request, Vercel creates a unique preview URL and posts it as a comment so you can test changes before merging.